Good morning, children. This is chapter number 3, Towards a Better Life. So, the name of the chapter is Towards a Better Life. So, in this chapter, we are going to study that how we can make our life better by accepting our mistakes, by listening to those who are helping us to improving our mistakes. So first we will read the chapter, and after that we will study how we can make our life better. So now in this, first of all, a diary of teacher, all the good things, puts an inspiring example from her classroom. So first there is a story. Now there is a story of one boy. He is in 3rd grade and the name of the school is St. Mary's School in Morris. So that boy, where the teacher was teaching. Now all 34, how many students are there in the class? 34 children are there in the class. But Mark, one boy named Mark, he is a different student from others. He is totally a different student from other, and teacher likes him very much. Now why the teacher likes him very much? Because whenever he is a mischievous, he do the mischievous things, okay, disobedience he create in the class, and always the teacher scold him. So whenever the teacher scold him, he always says, you can see in the book also, he always say, thank you for correcting me, ma'am. Whenever the teacher says something, always Mark says, thank you for correcting me, ma'am. He didn't know what to make of it at first, but before long he become accustomed of hearing it many times. Means the teacher, now she was in the habit of listening, because he is a disobedient child. He does always some mischievous things in the class, and he disturbs the class. He talk with the friend a lot, but when the teacher corrects him, after that he always say thank you to the teacher for correcting him. Now you can see in the picture, one day the Mark was talking to his friends a lot. So the teacher has asked for the tape, and she has put a tape. She has crossed the tape on. She has made a cross on his mouth, because he was talking a lot with his friends. So after that, what he was doing, he was just winked. Mark see how he was behaving, and he winked at me. So what they were doing, they were just winked means giving action with their eyes. So they were just talking with one another, and they were just sending messages through their eyes. So after that, after seeing that the teacher has put a tape, she has made a cross on his mouth, and after some time she has removed the tape and shrugged his shoulder. And when she was shrugging his shoulder, then Mark said, thank you, ma'am, for correcting me. So she likes that thing. Whenever she does something good for him, he always thank him. Whenever she is improving, so she thank him. So what is the meaning of that story? The meaning of the story, that when the teachers correct us, even the teachers, parents, our friends, our elders, so whenever they are correcting us, we should listen to them. So when we are listening to them, definitely we make a change in our life. Now you can see in this picture, this potter is making a pot. So same way, children are just like a pot. We have teachers, parents, elders, we have to shape their life. And how we can shape the life? We can shape the life by teaching them good ethics, by improving their behavior, by teaching them good values through education and counseling, by molding them, by correcting them, and by teaching them how they should be disciplined in their life, and what is the importance of correction and discipline in their life. So teachers, parents, elders, they are just molding the life of a child. Now if correction is nothing but a learner understand his or her current behavior is inappropriate, means incorrect. Okay, when we are doing something, we don't know whether it is correct or wrong. But if someone is there who can guide us that your behavior is not good, you should not talk like this, you should not do like this. So if someone is correcting us, so what we should do? We should listen to that person. and we should try to correct accordingly. We should try to correct, so definitely we are going to shape our body. So correction, what is correction? Correction help us to differentiate between right and wrong, and it definitely reshape our life. Now there is a boy, this is a story of one boy. We have heard this story many times. You can see in the picture, this is a boy. Now he has become an adult. Now in the childhood he was in the habit of stealing things. So whenever he stores the things, mother always feels happy. So once he has stolen teacher's writing tablet. After some time, he has stole a piece of clothing, and he is getting that habit of stealing the things. And whenever he brings something to his house, mother doesn't say anything to him. So because mother is not saying anything to him, now the stealing things has become his habit. Now he has become habitual criminal. Slowly and slowly he has grown. Now you can see now he has become an adult. Now he has got that habit of stealing the things. So one day police has captured him. So when police has captured him and he was just taking him to the prison, so he said to his mother, "Come closer to me, mother, I want to kiss you." So when his mother came near to him, he just bit her nose. Why he has bit her nose? Because his mother, she has not stopped him in doing wrong things. In early childhood, if must be she has stopped him for doing all these wrong things, so definitely he will be a good person now. But she has not stopped for wrong habits. She has not corrected him anytime. So now he has become an criminal. So parents, teachers are our mentor. Mentor means they are helping us to improve our life. So we should never be reluctant, give timely correction. We should not reject. We should listen them. We should not refuse them. And whatever the timely correction they make in us, we should always implement those correction in our life. So definitely we will be a good student. Now, as we know that we are human being. So what is our nature? Our nature is to always make mistakes. So when we mistake, from our mistake we learn also. We are the human beings. It doesn't mean that never we are going to make the mistake. We are good human beings and we are not making mistakes. It is a human nature. We make mistake. But if we are making mistakes, what we should do? We should correct it. We should know the difference. What is wrong? What is right? So if someone is pointed your mistake, we should listen to that person. And always we should respond in a positive way, that next time you will not repeat the mistake. It is not how we make mistake, but how we correct them that defines us. We make mistake because we are human beings, but when we are correcting our mistake, that is more important for us. So we should correct our mistake. We should define our mistake, so that will be very, very helpful to us. So our parents, teachers, even our friends, they correct us. Whatever they correcting us, we should apply those things in our life. In every situation, we should correction or discipline, they play an important role in the development of character, and it also helps us to become a better human being. So if no one is there to correct us, no one is there to teach us those corrections, so definitely we are missing something in our life. So lack of correction and rejection of correction both leads to character deformation. If we are not listening to someone, if we are not listening to others, if they are correcting us and we are rejecting them, we are not listening them, no one is there to correct us, so definitely we are lacking something in our life. So we should always listen to others. We should always be very, very thankful to others, those who are correcting us. Now there is one more story. Correction bring about positive change in students' life. Now how the correction makes the positive change in the student's life? Now suppose now you all are in class 9. Okay, so what you do before the exams, you all submit the copies to the school. Now your teachers correct the copies. After correction, you are very confident that whatever you have written in the copy, that thing is correct. But suppose if your teacher will not correct your copy properly, and in the exam, and you have written a wrong thing in your copy, exams you are going to learn the wrong thing, and same wrong thing you will write in your exams. So you will definitely, you will not get good marks during that. But if your teacher has corrected your copy properly, then you are more confident that whatever I have written in the copy, same thing I will write in my exam, I will get good marks. So when we are teachers, what are our teachers? They are making corrections in our copy and we are accepting those corrections. So when we are accepting those corrections, we are getting good marks. And we are not, if they are not checking our copies, they are not correcting us, we are not getting good marks. So we are at the loss side. So what is that correction? So when, like teachers, if our parents, mother, father, elder, friends, they are also checking, and they time to time they correct us. Suppose you are talking to your friend and your words, your way of talking is not good. Your friend says that you should not talk to me in this way. If your teacher says you should not talk to your friend in this way, so it means they are correcting you. When they are correcting you, it means they are trying to bring a positive change in you. They are trying to reform your life. They are trying to change you. So when they are doing all these things, so we should be thankful to them. And when we are thankful to them, definitely we are accepting, we are not rejecting those changes which they are trying to make in us. So we are the most important, luckiest person in the life if we have someone to correct us. So what we have understood, that towards a better life, if we want to make our life better, we should accept our mistakes and we should try to correct those mistakes. If we are correcting our mistakes, if we are accepting if someone is correcting our mistake, so definitely we will be the happiest person in the life. So this is all about the chapter, children. Question and answers I will send you in the class WhatsApp group. Thank you, children.